Good afternoon. बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you very much for accepting our invitation to come to our school. आपण मैंने जानते हैं हमारा अच्छी annual function अच्छी 39th annual function अच्छी 10th December रे सेही विषय रे हमें आपण को डाकी थिलु टिके हमको रिक्वेस्ट करिया को आपण को कवरेज आपण टिके दवा पाई. But before the annual function टिके जणिया को चाहू हम स्कूल विषय रे. स्कूल आपण ब्लॉसम स्कूल ना तो छोड़ी तो बहुत पुराना स्कूल है एस्टैब्लिश इतला 1984 रे एस्टैब्लिश इतला. So this is the 39th annual day for आपण 39 years old है. So it started as a kindergarten school but अभी हमारा secondary है गलाने. It is affiliated to CBSE class 10 CBSE affiliation है गलाने. And in the new session we are planning to go for higher secondary and I'm very glad to say that this is a school with a difference. आपण मैंने पचारी पारंते what is the difference? सब स्कूल के स्कूल अच्छी, हमारे स्कूल में कौन difference अच्छी? First point होची, it's a student-centric school with a very holistic environment. ता माने होची, we try to inculcate the values, among the students combined with academics and co-curricular activities, so that they are groomed to face all of the challenges in life, and we create very good human beings rather than very good competitors. So when they go out of the school, we ask them to win the hearts rather than win the world. This is something different from other schools, and we also believe in competition among ourselves rather than with others. Niche se agar niche compete kariba is the greatest